We're making a classic, a colorful chicken curry with peppers and onions. It's time to Jalfrezi. Chances are, if you've been to an Indian restaurant, you've seen Jalfrezi on the menu. It's a curry that originates from Bengal and literally translates as spicy stir fry. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Jalfrezi, and it all starts with the veggies, which is a classic combo of peppers and onions. So I have some thickly sliced white onions here and some red and green peppers that I've cut into large cubes. I have a large wok. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, and once that's nice and hot, we're gonna tip the veggies in and stir fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes until they're tender crisp. Then I'm gonna transfer them to a bowl. Now there's a great old debate when it comes to chicken in curries. Do you use dark meat? Do you use white meat? This is totally up to personal preference. Today I happen to be using chicken breast in this Jalfrezi. I've just cubed it up, and we're gonna add a little bit of oil to our wok, add the chicken breast in, and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's sealed on the outside. It doesn't have to be cooked through at this point because it's gonna continue cooking in the curry later. We're gonna transfer that to a bowl. Now we're gonna build the base of flavor for this curry. I'm gonna add a little more oil to my wok, and we're gonna bloom some cumin seeds. So just add those in and let them sizzle away until they're nice and fragrant. Then I'm gonna add in some onion. We're gonna saute that off until it's nice and golden brown, followed by some finely chopped ginger and some sliced garlic, which we're gonna saute for about 10 to 15 seconds until they're fragrant. Then I'm gonna add in some tomato sauce, and we're gonna season with turmeric, ground cumin, ground coriander, Kashmiri chili powder, and salt to taste. I'm gonna cook the tomatoes out until they reduce down. We're gonna add the chicken back in, as well as a little bit of water, and cook that out until the chicken is nice and coated in that thick sauce. Lastly, I'm gonna add some garam masala as our final seasoning, and then add back our vegetables and toss that to coat. Off the heat, I'm gonna garnish with some fresh coriander and some julienne ginger to finish. And just like that, our chicken Jalfrezi is ready. The smells coming off of this wok are incredible. I'm gonna grab a pepper, a little bit of chicken and onion. That looks like the perfect bite. Now this is truly a Jalfrezi in every sense of the word, that spicy stir fry. Let's start with the chicken, which is perfectly tender and just coated in that light tomato spice sauce. And for me, the kicker are those vegetables. It makes such a huge difference to stir fry the vegetables in advance and add them later because they retain their crunch, that little bit of crisp, such great texture. Now you can eat this Jalfrezi on its own in a bowl and call it a day, or do as I do and pair it with a little bit of basmati rice or some naan and rotis on the side. This is my chicken Jalfrezi, and I hope you get to try it at home.